Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Singhal and I am your mathematics trainer. Today we are going to solve the past year questions of UIMO, that is Unified International Mathematics Olympiad. Here is the first question. Choose the value of 256 raised to the power 0.16 multiplied by 256 raised to the power 0.09. So first of all, this is something that we can write it down as 256 raised to the power 0.16 plus 0.09, that is equal to 256 raised to the power 0.25, which is equal to 256 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Now, after that, 256 is something that can be written down as 4 raised to the power 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 16 is 256. Whole raised to the power 1 upon 4. So this is 4 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. That is equal to 4. So B option is the correct answer. Next one, the sum of two numbers is 4 times of their product. So let us assume that the numbers are x and y. Sum of two numbers is 4 times of their product. We need to find out what is the sum of the reciprocal of the two numbers. So the sum of the reciprocal is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. If you take this xy on the left hand side, so this is x plus y upon xy is equal to 4. This is x upon xy plus y upon yx is equal to 4. This will get cancelled out. So this is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to 4. C option is the correct answer. Next one, A, B, C have a total amount of 129. A has 16 more than B and C has 3 times as much as A. So there is A, there is B, there is C. A is having 16 more than B. So B is having x, so A is having 16 plus x and C is having 3 times of A. The sum of all of their money is equal to 129. So 16 plus 2x plus 48 plus 3x is equal to 129. 5x plus 64 is equal to 129. 5x is equal to 65. 9 minus 4 is 5. Yes. So x is equal to 13. How much money A is having? So A is having 13 plus 16, that is 29. A option is the correct answer. Choose the value of this. 998 square minus 2 multiplied by 998 multiplied by 1002 plus 1002 square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. So this is equal to 1002 minus 998 square. So this is equal to 4 square, that is equal to 60. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here b value is 998, a value is 1002, and this is how we can solve it. So C option is the correct answer. Next one, what is the difference of the circumferences of the given circles? So outer radius is r external is 14 and r internal will be equal to 14 minus 3.5, that is equal to 10.5. So the difference is c external minus c internal is equal to 2 pi r external minus 2 pi r internal. This is 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7, which is common. 14 minus 10.5. So this is 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 3.5. This is 10. 5 times, 2 times, it will get cancelled out. So this is equal to 22 centimeter. A option is the correct answer. If the mean of numbers, these numbers is 101, then select the mean of this. 27 plus x plus 31 plus x plus 98 plus x plus 105 plus x plus 164 plus x divided by, now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So divided by 5 is equal to 101. 27 plus 31, that is 58. 58 plus 8, 66 plus 90, 156. 156 plus 5, 161. 261 plus 4, 265. 265, 365 plus 60, that is 425 is plus 5x is equal to 505. 5x is equal to 80 or x is equal to 16. Now the mean of these numbers, this number will be 115 plus x, 131. 126 minus x, that is 110. 68 minus 2x, that is 68 minus 32. So 6, 36. 4x 64 plus 73, 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 7, 30. And 80 plus 56 is 136. The mean of these numbers 131, 110, 36, 137, 136. 6 plus 6 is 12, then 7, 19 plus 120 to carry over. 3, 3, 3, 12, 15, 1. This is 550. So the mean is 550 upon 5, that is equal to 110. The option is the correct answer. So here is the next question that we are going to solve. 43 cube plus 3 multiplied by 43 square into 57 plus 3 multiplied by 43 into 57 square plus 57 cube. What is the value of this? So we know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here the value of a is 43, value of b is 57. So this will be equal to 43 plus 57 whole cube. Now 43 plus 57 is 100 whole cube, that is equal to 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The option is the correct answer. Use the value of y from the given figure. If x is 5. So see, by external angle property 2y minus x is equal to y minus 5 plus 2x plus 40. So let's take y together. If you take it over here, so 2y minus y is y, 2x plus x is 3x plus 35. X value is 5. So 3 multiplied by 5 plus 35. This is 15 plus 35, that is equal to 50 degrees. That is the value of y, A option. If x is 2022, then choose the value of x square minus 2x minus x multiplied by x minus 1. So generally what the mistake that students do is they directly put the value of x. But first of all, let's solve it. X square minus 2x, this will be minus x square plus x. So x square will get cancelled out. Minus 2x plus x is minus x. So the value is equal to minus of 2022. That's how we can solve. A option. What is the LCM of these two numbers? 36225 and 28980. So see, both the numbers can be divisible by 25. First of all, let's try to understand this. We can actually solve it without doing the calculations, without actually trying to find it out. This number is not divisible by 10, but in option B, C and D options, these are the multiples of 10. So technically they are not the correct one because we cannot take it out common. But this is true for HCF. This is true for HCF. So let's do one thing. Let's try to divide these values 36225 by 36225 by 7245. 7245. So this is 5 times. And 28980 by 7245. This is equal to 4. Now there are no common factors, so the LCM will be equal to 7245 multiplied by 20. This is 10, 1, 8, 9, 4, 14. So 144,900, that will be the LCM. We were talking about the HCF in that case. What is the difference between the areas of two concentric circles having the radius that is given to us? Difference. So area external minus area internal is equal to pi r external square minus r internal square in the bracket. 22 upon 7 multiply by 14 square minus 10.5 square. So this is 22 upon 7 multiply by 14 plus 10.5. 24.5 multiplied by 14 minus 10.5, 3.5. This is 10, 5 times, 2 times, 11 times. 24.5 multiplied by 11, 245, 245, 2695 and then one decimal, 269.5 centimeter square. So the option is the correct answer. So here is the next question that we are going to discuss. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90. So let's draw one triangle. A, B, C. Angle B is 90. AB is 40 centimeter. AC is 58 centimeter. BD is perpendicular to AC. Select the length of BD. So see, first of all, over here we know that this is a right angle triangle. So BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square, 58 square minus 40 square. 58 square will be equal to 25, 30, double 364 minus 1600, 64, 13 minus 6 is 7, 1764. 1764, which is going to be the square of your 42. This implies that BC is equal to 42. Now, half of AB multiplied by BC is equal to half of BD multiplied by AC. Half will get cancelled out. AB is equal to 40, BC is equal to 42 is equal to 58 multiplied by BD. So, BD or DB is equal to 40 multiplied by 42 upon 58. So, this is 20. This will become 29. So, this is 2 840 upon 29. That is something which is equal to 840 upon 29. That is equal to 28 and 28 upon 29 centimeter. B option is the correct answer. If 1 plus x square plus x cube is equal to 0, 1 plus x square plus s cube equal to 0, then what is the value of this? So see, this value is equal to 0. Then after that, if we just talk about this particular scenario, then we need to understand that what if the value is going to be 0 or 1 or minus 1 or something that it cannot be determined. So in that case, we need to understand the different sort of scenarios where we will going to understand whether it's possible to find out the answer or not. So if we assume over here that the value of this, if we make the grouping, for example, if we make the grouping of x cube, x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4, like this. Let's 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4, one group. Then the next group is x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power, x to the power 6 plus x to the power 7 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 1997, 1998, 1999 plus x to the power 2000. Here if you take x common, so this will become x plus x, 1 plus x square plus x cube. If you take x to the power 4, 5 common, so it will become 1 plus x square plus x cube. And similarly, x power 1997, so it will become x 1 plus x square plus x cube. Now this value is every time 0. So the product with x or x square or x power 5 or x power 1999, everything will become 0. So this is equal to 1. B option is the correct answer. Choose the least number of the 3 consecutive numbers such that the 3 consecutive numbers, so numbers are x plus 1, x plus 2, such that the sum of the twice of the first number and thrice of the second number and 4 times of the third number, their sum is equal to 245. So 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 equal to 245. 9x is equal to 245 minus 12. So this is 3, this is again 3, 233. So x is equal to 233 upon 9. 245 minus 12. So this value will be equal to 9 or 2 times, then 1853. Okay, 1 second. There is some sort of mistake over here. 14. Okay, this is 11. We will going to subtract 11. So this is 4. So 2 and then 5 and 4. 5 and 4, 54. So 9 into 6. 26 is the answer. The option. The area of the rectangle is given. One of the edges is given. Select the perimeter. So this is equal to 45 into 16 plus 5, that is 725 upon 16 centimeter square. This is equal to 29 upon 4 centimeter. So let us assume that this value is equal to the width. So the length is equal to 72516 divided by 29 upon 4. This is equal to 725 upon 16 multiplied by 4 upon 29. So this value will be equal to 725 divided by 29. That is 25. 4. So this is equal to 25 upon 4 centimeter. Now the perimeter is equal to twice of length plus width, twice of 25 by 4, 29 by 4. This is twice of 14, 1, 54 upon 4. So this is 2 times. That this is 27 centimeter. So B option is the correct answer. Next one. In the given figure, L is parallel to M. Angle A and B are in the ratio of, let's suppose that this is 2x, this is 3x. So first of all, 2x plus 3x will be equal to 180 degrees. It's a straight line. 5x is equal to 180 or x is equal to 36 degrees. So angle A is equal to 72 degree, angle B is equal to 108 degree. We need to select the measure of angle C and D. So see, B is equal to C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Corresponding angle, and angle A and angle D are exterior alternate angles. So this is 108, this is 72. 108 minus 72, that is equal to how much? 36 degrees. So C option is the correct answer. Next one. Select the option which is equal to this value. So see, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8. So if we take the group of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8, if we take this one group, plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 minus 13 minus 14 minus 15 minus 16 plus, and similarly if we take the last group, then see, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10 minus 5 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 is minus 16 plus. Similarly 9 minus, this is minus 4, this is again minus 4, again minus 4, again minus 4. So this is also minus 16. And similarly, this will become minus 16 because the gap between 2017 and 2021 is minus 4, 2018 and 2020, 2019 and 33 and 20, and then the last number. It has to be like that. So if you just try to understand this, then in that case, see, we have to subtract 2024 from here and we need to add 2024 because then this difference will be minus 16 plus 2024. Now 2024, we are taking a group of 8 numbers. The biggest number is 2024. If you divide it by 8, 2 times 16, 4 to 5 times 40, 2, 4, 3 times. 253 groups will be there. So minus 16 multiplied by 253, it will come to 53 times plus 2024. So 253 multiplied by 16 is minus 4048 plus 2024 plus 2024. So that is equal to minus of 2024. And that's what the answer will going to be. That is the D option is the correct answer. So here is the next number that says the sum of two expression is given. If one of the expression is this, then select the other expression. So other expression is equal to x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 2, the sum, and minus the other expression x cube minus x square minus 6x minus 8. So this is x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 2 minus x cube plus x square plus 6x plus 8. X cube will get cancelled out. This is 2x square minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3x, 2 plus 8 is 10. 2x square plus 3x plus 10. B option is the correct answer. Choose the LCM of these. This is 10x square by 25x square y square, 8x square y, 8x y square z cube. So the LCM for, first of all, let's find out the LCM of 8, 25 and 10. So 2, 5, 25, 4, 5, 1, 5, 4. So LCM for this is 25, 10 into 5, 50 into 4, 200. So LCM is equal to 200 and then we will take the highest power of all the variables. This is x square, y square, z cube. C option is the correct answer. For the triangles ART and PEN, if ASA criterion should be used, given angle T is equal to angle N, what are the respective measure of PN and RT? For PN, it will be 80 and for RT, it will be EN. For PN, it will be 80. For RT, it will be EN. So 80, EN. C option is the correct answer. Choose the value of this. So first of all, if you look at the denominators, these are the multiples of 5 as well as this is plus and this will become, let's write it down, minus 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15 plus 3 upon 20 minus 9 upon 10 minus 13 upon 15 and we'll take this minus over here. So minus 13 upon 20. So the LCM will going to be 60 itself, 60. So for this we need to multiply it by 6. So minus 18, 7 into 4, 28, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 6, 54, 13 into 4, 52, 13 into 3, 39. So 28 plus 9, that is equal to 37, and then minus 18 and 54, 72, 72 plus 2, 74, 74 and 50, 124, 124 and then 164, 163. So this is equal to 7, 3 minus 13 minus 7 is 6, 15 minus 3 is 12, minus 126 upon 60. Now this will become how much? Minus of this value, minus 126 upon 60. So let's cancel out by 26. So minus 21 upon 10. That's what the answer is. C option is the correct one. From the following figure, what are the respective measure of x and y? So see, y is equal to 60, vertically opposite angle. and x is equal to 180 minus 40 plus 60, 180 minus 100, so x is equal to 80 degrees. X and y, so 80 comma 60. We need to select the right sequence. First of all 80, then 60. If you select this one, so your answer is incorrect. Pankaj has 96 marbles. 96. Arun has 63. How many marbles should Arun give Pankaj so that the Pankaj will have twice as many marbles as Arun? So let's say Pankaj gave X marbles to Arun. So 96 minus X, and Arun will going to have X plus 63. Now Arun, number of marble that Arun is having, Pankaj is having, will be twice as many or as Arun. How many marbles Arun gave Pankaj? Okay, Arun is giving to Pankaj. So 96 plus X, and this is 63 minus X. 96 plus X is equal to twice of this value. 96 plus X is 126 minus 2X. 3X is equal to 126 minus 96. 3X is equal to 30 or X is equal to 10. So D option is the correct answer. So see, let's cross check. If Pankaj gets 10, so this will be 106. If Arun gives 10, so it will become 53. It is the twice of it. 106 is the twice of 53. The range of the data. So we know that the range of the data is equal to the highest minus the lowest value. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 128 is the lowest one, and the greatest one is 152, 154, 154. 14 minus 8 is 6. 14 minus 12 is 26. The option is the correct answer. In the diagram, each scale shows the total mass weight of the shapes on that scale. What is the mass of a triangle? So 1 square plus a circle is 8. So instead of this, we can write it down as 8. So for one circle, it will be 11 minus 8, that is 3. Let's put it over here. This is 3. So two triangles will be equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12. And for one triangle, it will be 12 upon 2, that is 6. The option is the correct answer. If the selling price of the article, selling price is equal to 5 by 4 times of cost price, then select the profit percent. Profit percent is equal to selling price minus cost price upon cost price multiplied by 100. 5 upon 4 minus 1 multiplied by cost price upon cost price multiplied by 100. This will get cancelled out. So 5 upon 4 minus 1 is 1 upon 4 multiplied by 100. That is 25%. A option. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. DL is perpendicular to AB. DM is perpendicular to BC. AB is 18. BC is 12. DM is 10. Then DL. So see, DL multiplied by AB, that is the area of the parallelogram, will be equal to DM multiplied by CB. DL is something that we need to calculate. AB is 18, DM is 10, and this is 12. So DL is equal to 12, 10 into 12 upon 18. 2 times, 3 times. So this is 20 upon 3. So DL is equal to 6, 2 upon 3 centimeters. C option is the correct answer. If the angles of the triangles are given, choose the largest angle. So if these are the angles, so 3x plus 3x minus 9 plus 3x plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 11x minus 7 is equal to 180 degrees. 11x is equal to 187. X is equal to 187 upon 11, that is 1 times, and 7, 17 times. So one angle is 33 minus 9. This is 33. 33 minus 9, that is equal to 24 degree, 33 degrees, 6, 55 plus 2, 57. Okay, 1 second. 17. So 17 into 3 is 51 degree. 85 plus 2, 87 degree. 51 minus 9, that is 42 degree. So 87 is the correct answer. D option. Choose the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region will be equal to 11.7 multiplied by 17.8 area of rectangle minus half of 11.7 multiplied by 17.8. That is equal to half multiplied by 11.7 multiplied by 7.8. This is 3.9. 11.7 multiplied by 3.9. So let's do the calculation. That is 11.7 multiplied by 3.9. That is equal to, okay, this is 17. Not 7, this is 17. So this is 8.9. 17.8 divided by 2, 8.9 multiplied by 11.7. So this is equal to 104.13 centimeter square. C option. Choose the measure of angle BAC if angle BDC is 110 degree. So BAC, if angle BDC is 110 degree, we need to measure the angle BAC and angle BDC. One more angle that we need to calculate on BAC and BDC. If this is 110 degree. Okay. So here is the next question that we are going to solve. Choose the measure of angle BAC, if angle BDC is 110. So see, if this is equal to 110 degree, now these measures are given that these three sides are equal. So if this is equal to A, this is also equal to A because this is the isosceles triangle. So A is equal to 180 minus 110 upon 2. 70 upon 2, that is 35. A is equal to 35. Now, after that, if A is equal to 35, then in that case, now x plus x and x plus y. If this is equal to x, this is also x, this is equal to y, so this angle will be equal to y. Now, angle BAC is equal to x plus y. Angle BAC is equal to x plus y. And x plus y plus x plus y plus a is equal to 180 degree. So, twice of x plus y plus twice of a, that is 70 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So twice of x plus y is equal to 110 degree, or x plus y is equal to 55 degree, which is nothing but the measure of angle BAC. So B option is the correct answer, and this is how we can solve the question. Identify the options which has at least two lines of symmetry. So for isosceles triangle, there is only one line of symmetry. For rectangle, there are two lines of symmetry. For square, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines of symmetry. For trapezium, if it is the isosceles trapezium, then only we have the line of symmetry. Otherwise, we do not have the line of symmetry. So, at least two lines of symmetry. That means B and C, they have the two lines of symmetry. So, they are the correct answer. Choose the rational number. So, see, rational number is a number in which the values are something that can be written down in the form of P by Q. So, over here, we study about P by Q form. So, this is in the form of P by Q, 22 upon 7. This is the rational number. This value B, it can be written down as, let us assume that x is equal to 1.56, 100x is equal to 156.56, 99x is equal to 155 5 or x is equal to 155 upon 99, P by Q form. Here 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so after 5, 6, this is 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, then 8 is coming, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5. So see, over here, if we just try to understand this scenario, then over here, as this part is not, repeating, this part is not something which is not getting terminated. It is getting terminated. So this is the rational form. We can write it down as 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we can put the number of zeros like this. But over here, this part is not neither repeating nor terminating, so this is not the rational number. So A, B, C are the correct answer. A regular hexagon divided into 4 triangles. Choose the correct option. So over here, A, F, B and E, F, D. Are these two congruent? So see, A, B and these two sides are equal, and then as there is a gap of only one vertex. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. These two triangles are congruent to each other because these angles are also equal by SAS property. Now, another triangle FED and FBC. So see, BC is equal to this, but these two sides are not equal. These two sides are equal, but if you talk about the other side, this one and this one, they are not equal. Not the correct one. Reason is because ED is not equal to FC. Then the next one is BCF and DCF. So over here, these two sides are equal. This is common. And one more thing, that these two sides are also equal. So these two triangles are congruent. And then over here, CFB, CFC and FDC. CFB and FDC. So these two triangles are same, but the sequence is not same. So A and C are the correct answers. Which option are true if the lines are parallel? Corresponding angles are equal. Yes. If two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. Some of the interior angles lie on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Yes, these are called as co-interior angles. They are supplementary, equal to 180 degrees. The sum of exterior angle lie on the same side to the transversal are supplementary. Yes, these are called as co-exterior angles. Their sum is also 180 degrees. This is also correct. Interior alternative angles are equal. This is also true. So A, B, C, D, all four options are correct. Select the option, correct option. So 3 raised to the power x is equal to 270. 3 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 30. That's what it says. So see, if we divide on both sides by 9, so this is 3 raised to the power x and this is 3 raised to the power 2. 270 by 9 is 30. This will be 3 raised to the power x minus 2, that is equal to 30. True. For this one, x to the power AC upon x to the power BC multiplied by x to the power BA upon x to the power CA multiplied by x to the power CB divided by x to the power AB. AC, AC cancel out, BC, BC cancel out, BA, BA cancel out. That is equal to 1. True. If P by Q is equal to this much, so P by Q is equal to 2 by 3 raised to the power 3. It is minus 3, so it will become 3 by 2 raised to the power 3. That is equal to 6 upon 6 raised to the power 3, that is 1. So P by Q raised to the power minus 10, that is 1 raised to the power minus 10, that is equal to 1. This is also correct. But if we talk about this one, 4 into 8 to the power m is equal to 128. So this is 128 is something that is 16 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 4 multiplied by or 2 multiplied by 8 into 8, that is equal to, see, if m value is 3. Let's suppose m value is 3. So this is 4 upon 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. 2, 64 and 2, 128. 128. So over here, the correct, this is value is also correct. But let's cross check the value of first 3 options. So this value is equal to, this is, okay, this is minus 3, so this will become 2 upon 3 as it is. So this is 2 upon 3 raised to the power 6. 2 upon 3 raised to the power 6, because it is getting multiplied. Now if you take its power minus 10, then that value 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 10 raised to the power minus 10, this is not equal to 1. So C option is not the correct one. A, B and D are the correct answers. Select the missing term in the given series. So see, this is chapter, then we are replacing the first by 1 and HAPTER as it is. In the second one, we are placing everything as it is, but we are replacing this value by 2. In the third one, we are putting everything as it is, but we are putting the second one by 3. Then in this one, CHAPTER, but instead of E, we will going to place 4. Then here 5, here 6. So CHAPT 4R, the option is the correct answer. Then the next one, choose the odd one out. 9JGM, 9JG, 9JGM, 9JG, 9JG. Okay, so over here we are having W. So first of all, this is the one that will going to be the incorrect answer, or basically the correct answer, or we can say the odd one out. The reason is because here is the difference. In all other, we are having M as it is. Sequence is changing, but first we'll just try to cut it short. Next one, if 15th August 2022 is Monday, then what day of the month which is immediately comes after? What then the date of Monday which immediately comes after 15th August 2024. So see, we know about number of odd days in a year. For a normal year, it's 1. For leap year, it's 2. So from 2022 to 2020, 15th August 2022 and 15th August 2024. The number of odd days will be 2 plus 1, because 2022 to 2023, it's a normal year. 2023 to 2024, that will going to be a leap year. One leap year will going to start. So 3 odd days. That means if on 15th August 2022 it was Monday, then it will going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On 15th August 2024, it will going to be what? It will going to be Thursday. Now, after 3 days, basically after 3 days. So on 15th, we will going to have Thursday. Then on 16th, we'll have Friday. On 17th, Saturday. On 18th, Sunday. And on 19th, Monday. So 19th, the option is the correct answer. Choose the correct matching pair that replaces the question mark. Circle, oval, triangle. Triangle is inside, so it's going like this, and it is becoming like this. So whatever it's inside, extreme inside, circle. Then just after it, a square, and then a rectangle. A rectangle. Like this. So circle, square, rectangle. A option is the correct answer. A option is the correct answer. In a code language, belt is written in SMRIC. Sum is written as TBA. What is the code of how is smelt written in that code? So if we just try to understand this particular scenario, S is represented by T, M is represented by A, E is represented by R, L is represented by I, and T is represented by C. C-A-R-I-C. A option is the correct answer. The digits are rearranged in the matrix so that the sum of horizontally, vertically, or diagonally will be equal to 15. Which two numbers should be switched? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 15. 14, this is 15. 6 to 8, this is 16. This is 14. 13, this is 16. 13 and 2, 15. Diagonally, 12, 14, and this diagonally 9, 15. That means these three numbers are, these are correct, these are correct, these are correct. These two numbers, if we switch these two, but let's try to understand this. See, the problem is with the numbers which are coming in either this row or this row or this row. The common number. The common number. So over here, the numbers that we will going to switch in this case is, let's suppose that is 7 and 8, two consecutive numbers, 7 and 8. If you switch it, this is 8. Okay, this is also 14 and this is 7. Let's suppose this is 8, this is 7. So now this will become 15. Now this will become 15. Now this will become 15. And now this will also become 15. And this will also become 15. Basically, wherever we were having 16, so we need to subtract 1 from that particular row. And wherever we were getting 14, we need to add 1 to it. So 7, 8 and 8 should be C option. Choose the correct mirror image. So for the correct mirror image, we will going to have it like this. First of all, this line is like this, and this will be at the top, at the center basically, but on the top of this line. So option A is the correct answer. Each digit is assigned a letter. The digit 0 is assigned to A, 0, A, 1, B, 2, C, until 9 we are having J. Which of the following number are made up of only consonants? So, okay, 3 to 9. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits which are aligned. 1309. One is B, then D, then A. A is the vowel, not the correct answer. 6 is G, then B, then H, and then I. I is the vowel. Now let's mark the vowels. A, E, I, O and O U are not there. So 0, 4 or 8, if it is coming, 0, 4 or 8, 4 is coming, that means E is coming, not the correct one. 0, 4 and 8 are not coming. So the option is the correct answer. Uh, this is C, E, C, E, B and G. Whatever the word is. Sandeep was facing the Pizza Hut at the beginning. He turned anti-clockwise, that means in this direction, and faced southeast. North, south, east, west. Southeast, that means he is turning and looking at here, southeast. What angle did he turn? So this is 90 plus 45, that is 135. C option. 5 students ran a 100-meter dash and finished in the following order. A finished before B, so A is ahead of B. F finished before E, so F is ahead of E. B finished before C, So B is ahead of C. D finished after C and B. After C and B. So D is here. H finished after G. H finished after G. So G is ahead of H. F finished before C and D. E finished before C and D. Before C and D, that means E will be the A. This is B, C and D. E finished before C and D. So E is here, F is here. We do not know about their positions. And G finished after B. G finished after B. G and then H. We do not know the relation between these two. Which of the following is the possible order for the finisher to finish from first to last? From first, A, then B, then G, then H, and then we are having F, E, C, D. This is confirmed, but we do not know the bridge between them. A, B, A, B. That can going to be the correct one. So over here, this is the scenario that is given to us. It is clear that all F, E, A, F, E, A, B, G, H, C, D is a possible order. The reason is it is possible that F, E finished before A. Okay, so let's try to understand this. E finished before A, and it is possible that G and H are finishing before C. The rest of the ordering is mandated by the constraint. So basically, this is how we will going to get the answer, and this is what the correct answer is. How many minimum lines are required to touch each circle without lifting the pen? Minimum lines are required. So each circle without lifting the pen. So let us assume we are starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are coming. But let's try to understand whether we can touch it by making minimum line. Can we do it? So definitely these are not the correct answer, but let's try to understand that whether we can find out the correct answer for basically whether we can do it by 4 lines or not. So let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for 6 lines. This is for 6 lines. Now after that, let's try to understand this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6. So over here, if we just try to do it like this, 1, 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then we will going to have one more line, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 5. But over here, if we just try to understand this by like this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 lines that we have made. It is given that we need to find out the minimum line. We cannot lift the pen, but it is not saying that we cannot take the pen outside this particular grid. So B option is the correct answer. Fact 1, Rohit said, Honey and I both speak Tamil. So Honey and Rohit, according to fact 1. Honey said, fact 2, Honey said, I don't speak Tamil. Fact 2. Fact 3 is Rohit always tells the truth, but Honey sometimes lies. So Honey sometimes lies, so we will not going to take this fact. But as Rohit always, this is something that is told by Rohit. Rohit always says the truth, so that means they both speak the Tamil. If the given three statements are the facts, which of the following must be also true? Statement 1, Honey speaks Tamil. Yes. Rohit speaks Tamil. Yes. Honey is lying. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, all three statements are correct. C option is the correct answer. Next one. Which parallel shows half filled? So see, for half filled, then in this case, this is not definitely half filled. In this case, this part, when we see just exactly like this, it is tilted by 45 degrees, and this is exactly like this. So it is filling half of it. A option is the correct answer. In this case, it is more than that. Which option is true for the given statement? Statement 1, large number of primary schools in rural areas is run by only one teacher. There has been a huge dropout from primary schools in rural areas. Statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. Because there are less number of teachers and there is only one teacher who runs the primary school in the rural areas, then that is why there is a huge dropout from the primary schools in rural areas. So this is something, statement 1 is something that is the cause. That is going to be the cause, and because of it, it is affecting the primary schools like this. So A option is the correct answer. Statement 2 is not the cause. Cause is that because there are less number of teachers, there is only one teacher, so that is why there is a huge dropout from the primary schools. In how many ways can the word path be read? Start at the central letter P and move to adjoining letter up, down, backward or forward. PATH path, PATH path, PATH path, PATH path. 4 ways. Then after that, these are the 4 ways. Direct 4 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 are like this. 4 plus 8 plus like this. Then after that, see, central letter P, then move to the adjoining letter. So there can be 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Letter up, down, back, one, and out in any direction, and out in any direction. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the letters that we can form. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from every part, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see from one of the parts. If you pick this A, then we can move 1, 2, 3 plus. If we move PAT, then 1, 2 like this. Now, if we move one step like here, 1, 2, 2 like this. So 7 is from this A. So 7 into 4, there are 28 ways in which we can read path in the given sequence that we are having. So 28, that means the option is the correct answer, and this is how we can solve the question.